Before we start, I'd just like to apologise for my last video effort. It was a bit of a mess and a bit of an embarrassment, so I'm sorry about that. There's no action cams involved in this post, so rest assured it should be a lot better. So I received this parcel in the, well, it wasn't the mail, it was by courier from a place called Halcyon in Hertford, UK. While I was opening it, I wasn't exactly sure if it was from Hertford because it'd only been about 2 weeks since I ordered it. And what we have here is two classic bar end mirrors made from stainless steel, and they're very well packed, so I'm very impressed with their service all the way from the UK to New Zealand in 2 weeks. Mind you, pay for it 19 quid, whatever that relates to in New Zealand micro pesos, I'm not sure, but as you'll see in the post, the quality of the product is excellent, and I sort of bumble my way through installing them, and I was quite pleased with the end result. So sit back and have a look, and if you have got a bike that you want to put bar end mirrors on, well, these can be on your choice list. That there is the adapter and longer screw for the Triumph range of bikes. And here we go. You can see the quality stainless steel, so they're not going to rust. Really nice, really nice. I won't bother showing the opening of the other box. Now the instructions aren't really for the late model Triumph range, but it was reasonably easy to figure out. They're for the range where it expands into your handlebar. So here we go. Looks like we're going to need a 3, 4, 5, 6 mil hex screwdrivers and a 10 mil spanner to fit these bar ends. So we'll go ahead and start fitting them now. Also included is for the Triumph Bonneville, which has a threaded screw that goes through here is into a threaded bolt or something that's welded into the handlebar itself. So these bar end mirrors come with a longer screw and a adapter, and as opposed to the ones that expand into your handlebars, these actually have to screw onto your handlebars. And yeah, just a bit different from Triumph, of course. So if you do order these mirrors from Halcyon, make sure you state that it's for a Triumph Bonneville or a Triumph, late model Triumph, so they know to include these adapter things. Okay, so there's the adapter and the screw. And we'll see how it fits, eh? We'll take the handlebar bar end off, which is 4 mil. So we want a 4 mil. Try not to drop anything. So that's the tidy in bar end tidy, I suppose you'd call it. And the screw, I notice the screw's got blue Loctite or some description on it, so we might have to put some of that on the new one just to make sure. You'll see the threaded end to the handlebar there. That's I can't tell, but it feels like it's welded onto the bar there. That goes back on there. So if we loosen off the mirror part, we can swing that, and it's a 10 mil nut there. Just swing that out of the way in the meantime. Just nip it up, we're going to be able to adjust it shortly. So that's going to go on there. So we want that part there facing outwards to accommodate that. So that'll go into there. Well, I assume it'll go in there. And then, yeah, it goes in there like that. And then we can nip that up and make adjustments. So there's a little grob screw in here, we'll loosen that off so we can turn this. And that is our 3 mil spanner. So we want that facing outwards. Like that. And that'll go on like that. Hey, guess what? I might have to remove the old mirror first. Bear with me, I'll remove the old mirror. Off she comes. Right, so just put a little bit of semi-permanent thread locker on there. You don't need too much, just enough to hold it in. Now the theory is you put the cover back on. The screws through there. Yep, the adapter. Oh, adapter goes on that way, like that. And you'll see the washer there. It's like a little spring washer. Spring washer, like I don't know what sort of washer you'd call that, but anyway. Got that around that way. Go around that way, like that. Put the mirror facing the right way and line all that up. That seems to be quite well positioned at the moment. So you want to get that centralised because you haven't got the tapered screw that went in here before to line it up. So make sure it's lined up. You grab your 5mm hex wrench. And you want that washer lined up in there. And we'll just give it a nip up. That's right. Seems to be about right there. Just give it a nip up. Depending where you want that mirror positioned, about there probably. So I've tried to keep that level. Now you can also put these down, so have them down, you know, if you wanted that. So you go out, or slightly in. I'll put it slightly in and just see if we can see if that's the correct position. That's solid. Quite like the look of that mirror. So now all we have to do is sit on the bike, adjust it and then go around the block and see if it's all good. So we'll put the other one on and we'll take it from there. Let's go. Okay, so I took my tools with me, so I'll just give them a final tighten up now, and not that one there. Final tighten. Make sure that everything's nice and tight. There we go. And yeah, give them a polish and they look real good, don't you think? Good quality stainless steel, good field of view behind, really good. It's going to make lane splitting a bit more difficult. I might try at a later date moving this in a bit closer and see how that goes. But anyway, thanks for watching, tubes, and we'll see you again shortly.